Hello everyone. In this video, just a quick one here, I want to show you guys what's inside this AVAYA Partner Remote Access PC card. Now most PC cards are just, your typical cards, they'll have a little bit of memory in them and, nothing too special, but I found this thing and I thought it might be interesting just to see what's inside in front of you guys and to see what we got. And copyright date of 2002. So let's see what's inside. Now, on the back here there's a caution, and if you can't read that, it says to avoid damage to the partner module or this card, do not install or remove the card when the power is on. Do not drop, bend, or crush. So that means there's some sensitive electronics inside, so let's see what we'll find. So it looks like it's pretty simple, and there's already little creases, seams all along the sides, so it shouldn't be too hard to get into. Not a problem. So it looks like it just pops open. So yeah, this thing didn't really cost me anything, so I don't need to worry about losing any money. Just thought it's cool just to see what's inside stuff. Of course, at this point it's practically useless. So that's the only downfall. But yeah, we got ourselves a nice piece of steel, and inside it's quite nice. We got ourselves a little tiny IC chip, 4 flash chips, so just some memory, and we got 2 little tantalum capacitors. They're nice yellow boxes. Also one right there, that is a crystal oscillator. Now this thing will have some nice gold on the side there. You can see maybe a little bit of yellow, so that's just a gold brazing. And it's a steel plate, and underneath there's some gold on ceramic construction there. This is pretty cool. So it looks like a nice little big CPU processor there. We got a few tiny little IC chips and a little square 4-sided chip there. So yeah, and of course we got our connectors. These connectors are typically quite nice, so definitely these are worth saving the pins because these are higher yielding. So yeah, that was just a quick little video. I hope you found that little video a little fun, something a little different. I don't know. Hope to catch you guys again next time. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys again next time.